Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be making some flavorful baked chicken with spiced rice. Super easy but so good. So if you're looking for a simple but really delicious dinner idea, this rice and chicken combo is one of my go-to meals for my family. So I'm starting with my chicken. I like to keep this part very simple but full of flavor. So I'm adding some cayenne pepper, some chicken spice, some chicken peri peri, some onion powder, and I'm also going to be adding some salt. And the star of the show is some mayonnaise. I know that mayonnaise may sound a little different, but trust me, it makes the chicken so juicy and flavorful, especially when baking it. So I'll let my chicken rest for about 10 minutes. But if you have time, I would advise that you keep the chicken in the fridge for about an hour. Now I'm just prepping the veggies that we'll be using to cook the rice. I always love using red, yellow, and green bell peppers. They add a pop of color and texture to the rice, making it kind of savory, so which is perfect for this dish. Okay, in the meantime, I am just preheating the oven to make sure that it is hot enough for when I eventually put in our chicken. If you've been watching any of my cooking content, you know that I love red onions so much. I don't know, they are just so flavorful. Unlike the other ordinary onions, I don't know if I am right or if I am wrong. Please comment in the comment section, but I just find them more flavorful than your regular white onions. Once that's done, I am placing the chicken into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and letting it bake for about 50 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Though with this heat, your chicken might cook more faster, so please do check on your chicken while you're cooking it. So while the chicken is in the oven, we are going to get started on the rice. Once that is done, let's head over to the rice. So in a pan, I am adding some oil, then going in with my chopped onions and bell peppers. I love adding peppers because they give the rice such a nice flavor and color. So once everything is cooked, once the onion and the bell peppers are softened, I go on to add my spices. I added turmeric for that beautiful color, that beautiful yellow color. I also added some curry powder and added some chicken stock powder just for that extra flavor with the rice. You do not want bland rice, guys. So yeah, those are the spices that I added, and yeah, obviously we added some salt. And then I added my washed rice. I had washed this rice so it was free of any starch. So we're going to be adding it into the pan. Then we're going to mix everything up and add a little bit of water. Remember what I always say, do not drown your rice in lots of water, guys, like in buckets of water. Just a few milliliters will do. You see as I demonstrate in this video. So this is the amount of water that I would recommend you put in your rice, just above your rice, okay? Or just by the end of your thumbnail, okay, guys? And then these are the results. Soft, fluffy, delicious rice cooked to perfection. If you want softer rice, maybe for your children, you can add more water up to your liking. Then I add some spring onions just for a little bit of garnishing, but also this was just basically part of the dish, okay? And we're just going to take our chicken from the oven, which had been slow cooking all this while, and we're going to complete our meal for the day. So yeah, this is perfect for those busy weeknights, and I guarantee you that your family is going to love this dish. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try this recipe and which meals you want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more realistic cooking and mom life content. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.